This is a good program to get introduced to image processing and OpenCV using Python. This is a simple program which detects any smiles that may be on the video or the image. Now this uses the approach, a little machine learning approach, and in our case we're using pre-trained classifiers to detect and display when there is any smile on the image. The way it's done is it uses something called cascade classifiers. Now these cascade classifiers are pre-trained classifiers which use many images of smiles and also many images that do not contain any smiles, and the machine by itself infers as to what are the features that are different or common amongst the ones that have smiles and don't have smiles. And later on, when you supply it with a new image, it uses this pre-trained information to find and also show where exactly the smiles are. In this case, we use pretty much only OpenCV as the Python library, and the approach is very simple. We read an image, we use a built-in function that allows us to classify or detect a smile. These are called cascade classifiers, and we apply it using a detect multiscale. This generally happens because we might have different depths where people are standing at in an image, and we might want to check for smiles at different scales of the image. Finally, once we've detected the smile, we draw a rectangle around it, and that's the image that we see.